Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to create a stage channel in Discord. Alright, so let's begin with the video. Stage channels are available only on community servers, so make sure your server has community features enabled. First, open Discord and go to your community server. In the channel list, find the category where you want to add the stage channel. Now, click the plus icon next to the category, or open the server menu. In the channel creation window, choose Stage Channel as the channel type. Then enter a name for your stage channel, such as Town Hall, AMA, or another event-related title. You can also add emoji if you want, and then click Next. Discord will then ask you to choose stage moderators. Select the members or roles that should manage speakers and control the event. After selecting moderators, click Create Channel. Your new stage channel will now appear in the server and be ready for live events. And that's it. So that's basically how you can create a stage channel in Discord. So that's all for this video. See you in the next one. Thanks.